Day 13. Yesterday you practiced setting your starting cache. Today you're going to learn how to tell your algorithm exactly when its backtest should begin. A backtest runs against historical data, so something has to mark the exact day your simulation starts replaying the market from. So, what is SetStartDate? SetStartDate is the method you call in initialize to set the exact date your backtest begins simulating historical data from. Here's a simple analogy to explain it better. On the left, we have pressing play on a recorded match. On the right, set start date. Imagine you're rewatching a recorded football match. You don't have to start from kickoff. You can skip ahead to whatever minute you choose. Wherever you press play, that's where your viewing of the match begins. The recorded match here says, you choose the exact moment the replay starts from. Set start date works exactly the same way. It marks the exact point in history your simulation begins, which in this case is. If you set start date to January 2020, your backtest starts replaying the market from that day forward, ignoring everything before it. With that, we wrap up the simple introduction of the concept of set start date in QuantConnect. Here's a quick knowledge check. Set start date controls how much cache your algorithm starts with, true or false. And the correct answer is false. Set start date controls the date your historical simulation begins. Starting cache is controlled by a different method, set cache.